Stop! Before you put that deposit down on the Celebrity Xcel, you need to see what that same amount of money is going to get you over at Virgin Voyages. The sticker price, what you see on the website, is almost never what you actually pay. In this video, we're doing a side-by-side comparison of the battle of the budgets to help you see more with your money. And the winner might actually surprise you. Here at Seymour Adventure Travel, we strive to help you to see more on your next epic adventure. So be sure to like and subscribe for more travel ideas, tips, and tricks. Now lately, we've been talking a lot about comparisons of Celebrity and Virgin Voyages. And we would be remiss to make these comparisons without actually talking about value. Now, this goes beyond just price, even though that is what we will start out with today. Value is really about what you are getting for your money. So be sure to stay to the end and see where we go beyond the price to discuss the best value. To make a fair comparison, I have selected similar itineraries offered by the lines for January of 2027. The Celebrity Xcel is a 7-night sailing from Miami with stops in St. Martin, Portola, and Puerto Plata. Virgin Voyages is an 8-night sailing from Miami with stops in Puerto Plata, San Juan, St. Martin, and Bimini. I am also choosing a similar location on the ship for the cabin and comparing the Celebrity Infinite Veranda with Virgin's standard Sea Terrace. This will allow us to make a more or less equal comparison of the fares. The fare for the Celebrity Xcel, without any add-ons, is $3,591. Prepaid gratuities will add an additional $252. The fare under Virgin Voyages is the essential fare of $3,520. Prepaid gratuities are $320. That would make Celebrity $3,843 and Virgin Voyages $3,840. So roughly the same amount. But this is where the end of the easy math arrives. Now we have to think about what is or isn't included in that fare. Both include pretty much everything you need to have a great time: food, basic drinks, and entertainment. However, Virgin, with its essential fare, also includes Wi-Fi and sodas, where those would be extra on board Celebrity. Also, all of Virgin's restaurants are included, where on the Xcel there are 5 specialty restaurants that are an additional charge. However, in Celebrity's defense, the food and service in their main dining was on par with most specialty restaurants, and we were perfectly happy not paying extra for dinner. So which is the better deal? Honestly, that would be a purely individual opinion. If the only add-ons you would want are soda and basic Wi-Fi, then Virgin is the better deal, as those are included and the itinerary is actually 1 day longer. But if you like a daily specialty coffee, a couple of smoothies throughout the day, and premium Wi-Fi, you may have a better deal with Celebrity and their drink premium Wi-Fi bundled package. It all comes down to what you value, which is the point I'm trying to make here. While price is an important consideration, please don't pay extra for an experience you don't enjoy just because you wanted to save a little money. If you really enjoy lounging on expansive sun and pool decks, then Xcel would bring more value than Virgin. Or if you're passionate about health and fitness, then Virgin's large, fully equipped gyms and included workout classes will bring you more value. Do you prefer the traditional cruise entertainment? Well, then Celebrity. But if you want it edgy and modern, then Virgin. Each of these cruise lines have their own vibe, which may or may not be your thing. So to get the best value on your next vacation, look beyond just price. Share in the comments what you value for your getaways. And for your next adventure, contact us. We would really love to help you see more.